Welcome to GSDSolutions. In today's tech tip, we're gonna learn how to take control in Teams. If you're just a participant, you can always take control on the meeting, and that way you'll be requesting to the person that it's presenting to allow you and give you the control. The person that it's presenting will have this message so they can give control to the person that it's requesting. That way, as you can see on the screen, 2 clicks. Each one will have a bubble with the picture of the person whose click is. As you can see, they both work, they both can do actions. And just to take back the control, you can click take back. After you, the presenter, take back the control, the other person will have this message on the screen that displays the person sharing took control back. So if you're presenting and you want to give control to one of your participants, you can always click on the give control option on the toolbar after you start presenting. Then you can select the person that you want to give control to in case that you're in a meeting with more than one person. After you select them, likewise show the 2 bubbles and the 2 clicks. Both of them will work separately. And then to take back the control, you can just click stop control. Thanks for watching this tech tip, and we hope to have you back in our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.